Did you just find out your school district is switching to Canvas? Don't panic. I am going to share with you the 3 things that I would do to kickstart your Canvas journey. Well, hello everyone, I'm Lauren. Welcome to my channel. As someone who has been using Canvas for the last over 7 years now, I do understand the struggles that K-12 teachers face when beginning the learning process, since I essentially had to teach myself everything, but that was my own doing because I wanted to use the platform. I discovered it, the free for teachers version, when I was a private school teacher, and then later switched to a public school that had all the bells and whistles of Canvas, which was super exciting for me. So first off, congratulations. Canvas is awesome. It's such a great teacher time saver, but the initial steps of learning the LMS are kind of crazy. So here are the top 3 things that I would do if I was starting over. I didn't really know much about the platform to help prepare me for the years to come. The first thing that I would do is get familiar with the platform. So whether your school district already has its own Canvas instance, which is instance, just think like account, so their own Canvas account, start creating a course. Now, if your district doesn't have access to or hasn't provided you access to your Canvas account yet, you can always create a free for teachers version, get into a course, start kind of experimenting yourself with that. And you can always, let's say you want to transfer stuff from the free for teachers into your new Canvas course that's established by your district, you can do that. So don't feel like you have to wait for your school district to start building. You can create your own account and start building yourself. The second thing that I would start doing is reviewing all of your curriculum. What curriculum can you reuse in Canvas? For example, I was a Google using teacher, and so a lot of the documents, the Google slides that I had, I just repurposed those and created forced copies that I just attached within certain assignments. So don't feel like you have to start from scratch. Go through all of your curriculum and see what is available that you can implement in Canvas. Also, if you're not a Google user, but you have, the ability to create PDFs or you have a ton of PDFs, Canvas has an amazing assignment called the Student Annotation assignment, where you basically can upload a PDF document or a Word document to this assignment, and from there, students then will be able to annotate all over the document themselves. So whether that be drawing on it or typing on it or making certain kinds of edits, this tool is amazing and a great initial assignment to get started with if you're just starting with Canvas. The third thing that you should focus on is education. So meaning educate yourself. There are tons of YouTube channels, not just mine, but I would appreciate it if you would subscribe and stick around, since a lot of my content is K-12 specific. You'll find tons of video content out there from other professors and teachers that have been using the platform. The education that they provide is way better, I personally think, than most professional developments that are run by school districts. So educate yourself. You have a question, type it into YouTube. You have a question, go to the Instructure community. That's another really great resource where you can ask a bunch of educators questions about the platform, and then usually there's a response provided relatively quickly, or there's usually already an answer within some of the forums. But educate yourself. That is how I was able to kind of master the platform, was I just went onto YouTube and the Instructure community and learned a ton of stuff about the platform. And then of course, I just experimented myself. Also, if you're interested in like a course, Canvas does offer a course within Commons, Canvas Commons, that you can download. It's called Growing with Canvas. That is a great way to get started. It gives you kind of like a basic overview and tour of the platform itself. Or also, I have a course myself on Teachers Pay Teachers. It's a webinar series. It's like 4 different parts, and you can feel free to take a look at that if you'd like. For this video, what I'll do too is I will have that at a discount for you. I don't usually do that, but for this video, I will discount that course just for you. So I'll leave that in the description below and you can go take a look at that. If you're of course interested, no pressure. So overall, while Canvas and your school district announcing this might feel a little bit nerve-wracking, I promise you this is a good thing. Once you get past this learning curve and creation curve, you are going to love it because it's going to create work-life balance for you. So again, you're going to want to get yourself familiar with Canvas, so experimenting yourself within the platform. The second thing is reviewing all of your content and seeing what is reusable and what you can transfer over. And then lastly is to get educated. Educate yourself. That's the best way you are going to help yourself with the platform. Remember, this transition is an opportunity for growth. It's exciting. Canvas is such a great platform for teachers. I know that it gets a rep of like, oh, it's only for higher education. No, it's not. I promise you, it's great for primary and secondary education as well. Embrace it. Know that many teachers have been in your shoes. They understand the learning curve, but I've had so many people message me say that they love it now, that they've kind of overcome the initial scary phases of learning anything new, right? And of course, if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. You can email me. I have my link tree where you can even text me personally. Feel free to take full advantage of that if you have any questions or just need someone to vent to, because we've all been there. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this, and I wish you the best of luck on your Canvas journey. I'm so excited for you, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!